What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Tommy's Kitchen. And in today's episode, we are going to be making homemade peanut butter, and this is one I've been wanting to do for a decent amount of time, but I've been sidetracked with doing other things, so I wanted to do those first. But today, we are going to be making our peanut butter, so let's head over to the ingredients table, and I'll show you guys what we're going to be needing to use. Okay guys, what you're going to be needing to use is, you're going to be needing 2 cups of peanuts. So what we got here is, we got lightly salted and we got unsalted. So we can make both and try it out and see which one is better. You're going to be needing some sort of spoon to stir and also, taste. Some measuring utensils. You're going to need some peanut oil. You're not going to be needing this much. You just need 2 tablespoons for each batch. So that's why we got this in here, so we can dump it out. The 1 cup, but this together, each one of these is 2 cups. It is 16 ounces. And you're also going to be needing some kosher salt. We got 2 mason jars here for where we put the peanut butter in when we're done. And last but not least, we have our food processor right here. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to separate our oil. So get the annoying part out of the way. So we can put this away. Got our corn oil here. You can also use vegetable oil if you like. And now the oil is optional, but for the video's sake, we are going to be using it. Okay. Now that we're finished with our oil, you can put that aside. And now the next thing you're going to want to do is take your food processor. You're going to want to open it up. So then we are going to start with our unsalted peanuts. Now this is 2 cups, but so the batch that we're making is 2 cups. So we're going to dump this in, and we pre-ripped that. These are brand new. Okay, so now at this point, what you could do is, you could add some honey if you would like. Or we can chop it up first and then you can add your honey, but in this video we're not going to be adding honey because I just want, just kind of a plain, regular peanut butter taste. But to get things started, what we want to do is, now as you can see, it is crunched up a lot. So now you want to what you want to do now is, you want to keep doing that until you get a consistency that you like. So we want to go for a smooth peanut butter. So we got a lot more to do. Alrighty guys, we pretty much got our peanut butter at the consistency that we want. So now we could stop here. We could call it quits. It looks and feels like peanut butter, but what you want to do is, you want to make that flavor come out. And since this is unsalted peanuts, you want to take some of your kosher salt, just a little bit, because kosher salt is strong. You just want to throw a pinch of it in there. And then now, you just want to add a little bit of your oil. Put it back on, and we're going to do this again. Just another. Now it's looking really good now. Very, very smooth. I think we're good when it comes to the oil. I'm not going to add the rest. There's like a little bit, literally just a dot left, but this is looking really good, you guys. Okay, so now what we want to do is put it in our first mason jar, and then what we're going to do is we are going to go and do the salted one. Okay, you guys, as you can see, this is really smooth looking peanut butter. So what you want to do now is you just want to dump it in your mason jar here. Okay, guys, so our unsalted peanuts is in here. It literally looks exactly like peanut butter. It's a little bit on the oilier side, but we'll see how that tastes, if it does anything different to the taste. So now, what we're going to do is, we're going to be using our lightly salted peanuts and make that. And then when we're done with that, we will have a comparison, see which one tastes better. And we'll do this part off camera because it's just the same process. Okay, so we have our little taste helper here. We got a little Tucker. Now this is the second one. It is a little bit on the thicker side and a little bit more on the chunkier side. Figured make it a little different. Here you go. Let's get some for the tuck. That's the second batch. Now here's the first batch for them. Which one's better, buddy? Or you just like it all the same? Okay, so now it's my turn. Now I can give my full... So this is our first batch that we made. So I'm going to try this one first. Freaking amazing. It's literally like pure peanuts. It's very thick. Now here comes this one. One with the lightly salted peanuts. I don't know which one I like better, to be honest. I feel like I want to say a lightly salted. Might be slightly better. Yeah. The lightly salted wins. And my reasoning for that is because salt is what brings out the taste. And this one already had some salt on it. So if we maybe added more salt to that one, maybe the taste will be a little bit more similar, but it's literally just a slight difference in a little bit more of the taste and more pure peanut. And now, if I were to do anything differently, maybe if you want to make it a little bit on the sweeter side, you can maybe throw some sugar in there. But I think this was a success, and this might be my new favorite thing that I've made for the channel. Now what you want to do to store it is, you just want to put your mason jar on top like this, and then just throw it into the refrigerator so it doesn't go bad, and that's it. Okay, so this is how you make your homemade peanut butter. So I'm thinking maybe we can stick to the peanut butter jelly theme here. Maybe we'll do a jam or a jelly for next week's video. We'll see. But that's my current plan unless something happens. So that wraps up today's episode of Tommy's Kitchen. If you like this video, please be sure to smash the like button. And if you want to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!